Hey YouTube, trying out this new scratch remover for black cars and dark color cars. I got it off Amazon. This is called Carfidant and it got pretty good reviews. And I watched a couple of videos of people taking out like hairline scratches out of a black car. So the Murano has a few hairline scratches and I'm gonna try to take them out using this. And you don't need a tool, you could just use, it comes with this application pad here. And I believe it was a little over 20 bucks, but I'll include the link in the description below.
Supercars, when we pull up with superstars. In the garage, all them horses, it's like a mirage. You try on it, I got like 3 pushes. Fill them cheap pushes. Spitting no flesh, spitting no
So right there you can see some hairline scratches. I'm going to try to get these out first. So about a penny size. Take a clean microfiber and wipe it down. This way. You'll see a little here. I'm gonna do one more hit. Time looks like it got it. Really can't tell, nothing's there. Looks like it worked. Really can't see it anymore. Does a good job of blending in the scratches. Got these little marks here. I'm gonna try to get these out. And I'm gonna try to get this long scratch out. That worked. Took it right out. I'm gonna give this product a thumbs up. See, you got this long guy right there. So you just want to go in a circular motion and keep rubbing until most of it is gone. Finish it up with a clean microfiber. Make sure you clean the car before you do this too. They do recommend a clay bar for best results. Well, I didn't do that. I just went through a car wash and then touchless car wash and then started to apply. No more scratch. That is awesome. This stuff really works, guys. Easy to use. Pretty awesome. So, just a recap. Scratches are gone. And this is the product I used. Carfidant. Really works. Got it off of Amazon. So I'm gonna say this definitely works for black cars, and I think it works for other darker colored cars with hairline scratches or anything like that. It'll get it out, and you don't need to be an expert.